A successful campaign is
memorable,
structured,
communication,
provoking,
brave.
and it has
Teamwork, passion, and love. You need all three.
First thing first, there is no perfect plan, there is no perfect design, there is no perfect strategy. You start with A and you're going to make sure it will end up completely different. You have to have the resilience to make through it and the flexibility.
So the number one thing I think I would tell other activists is not to be afraid to take that step or not to feel overwhelmed.
Set your goals, like be really clear with what you want out of that campaign.
Know your public, know who you're working for, like know who you're sharing this with, because at the end of the day communication is two sides, it's not only you. So if you don't know who you're talking with, then there's no communication.
Ask questions. Ask people who know. Ask people who have more experience. Don't be afraid to approach people and just keep going.
The most important tools in environmental communication is definitely trust. Trust in your teammates. Trust that whatever you do here can also have an impact out there.
You have to trust so many people because at the end you're sharing the same goal, and I think trusting them and trusting how they work and their process is super important.
A passion for the environment is number one. Once you have that passion, developing your understanding comes easy. So the tools that you can use for that is communities, networks. There's loads of people out there who are already doing great things. You don't have to be the next thing, you just have to join a community who shares the same idea.
Positivity, and not being drained by the whole apocalyptic idea that sometimes may develop in getting to know a lot of this stuff.
Positive images. I think we need to show nature. I think we need to show not what we're afraid of, but what we're fighting for. I think motivation and using clear and professional language in the sense of relaying the truth and relaying a hope message. That's the best tool you have.